What's up, Vechain holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm talking about the Vechain. What's going on in this time in the Vechain? Now, this time it is the end of June, and you know what? July month is starting now, so get ready for a July month. You know what? In this video, we are going to discuss the July month price of the Vechain. What will be the price of the Vechain in the July month? Is the price pump in the July? Is the price dump in the July? Let's see, my friends, on the basis of technical analysis. But before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video. My friends, at this time the latest price of the Vechain is 0.007 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Vechain. And furthermore, my friends, if we discuss the price of the Vechain in a Bitcoin, so 0.0000226, that's the Bitcoin price of the Vechain. And now, my friends, now at this time in the end of June, the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the Vechain, I think everything is going positive about the Vechain. Let me show you the price changes. Oh my god, it's absolutely a huge pump over in the Vechain yesterday. 6.41% the price change is positive in the Vechain from yesterday, so that's good. It's good news for me that the price change is positive in the Vechain, my friends. Let me show you the further more about the Vechain. Oh my goodness, my friends, if we do a technical analysis of the Vechain price chart, so now that's a support line, and that is a that's a resistance, and that's a support line. And a previous time the price of the Vechain is completely fast down, and now it is in the end of June the price bounce. So absolutely, if the price bonds with the strike with the support line, so they start pumping. And absolutely, my friends, if they start pumps, so they will continue this pump for long term. My friends, my personal prediction is that there is a possibility, there is a chances to they continue this pump throughout this whole July month. Throughout this whole July month, the price of the Vechain is positive. The price change is increasing day by day. So hope July month is a good month of the Vechain. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.